You're out here in the great jungles of Vian, searching for the elusive black hound dog. Very, very dangerous animal this black hound dog is. As you can tell, its environment is quite rough. Rush, thicket, very, 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 very pokey thing. I'm not sure if we're gonna spot one today, but if we do, count ourselves lucky. Okay, here's sign that I don't think this steaming pile of poop is from a black hound dog. It may be from a cow. Who knows? We'll stay searching for it. Well, we've made it to a clearing in the jungle, and there's game paths here. Here's the game paths. Wait, I hear something. It may be the black hound dog. Where? Oh, where? Oh, there is the elusive Polly, staring us down like we are T-bone steak. Lord help me. Lord. No! Ah! Ah! The dog's getting me! Ah! 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 No dogs were harmed filming this film.